Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a health bar in Roblox Studio. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to your Roblox Studio and then go to base plate if you want. And then here, what you're going to do is just simply go to starter GUI, tap this one, or click this plus icon. And then what you're going to do is just simply add screen GUI. Okay, so to do that, you just have to click the plus icon and click this screen GUI here. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do is to add frame. So you just have to click this one. Okay, type F and then look for frame. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to adjust this one. Now we will change the shape of this bar here. So to do that, you just have to go to frame and then go to plus icon and then go to UI corner, go to properties and then change this radius to 100 if you want. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so it really looks like a help bar. Now, what you're going to do now is to change the color. So you just have to go to background. Mostly the color is color red. So we have to look for color red and change this to red. Okay, you can add another one, or if you want to change that, and then you can just simply add another one and then uh, change the color into green, and you can delete the other bar here. Okay, so as you can see, I added another frame. Okay, down to screen UI and change this to green. So you can use this one or you can use the red one. Now let's put some text label. So all you have to do is to click plus and then go to add label and then tap text label, go to properties. Now here you can change the background color, you can change the text size, also the font. Okay, all you have to do is to tap it one, go to properties. And then here I want to change this to white. Okay, the text color to white. And then change the transparency. Okay, I want to remove the white background. And then to change the color, you just have to go to down below here. Okay. So text color, change this into white, or everything is up to you. For me, I want to change this to white. And then text size, I want to change this to like 50, okay, or 60. Everything is up to you then. And then, yeah, after that, you can change also the font style if you want. Okay, everything is up to you. But if you want to change the appearance of that, you just have to go to properties, okay? Okay, so after you change everything, what you're going to do here is to simply remove other health bar, remove the red one, okay? And then once you're done, then that's it. All you have to do is to simply change everything here if you want. So this is my sample and you can make your own. I mean, you can create your own by having different font style, font size, and color. So for script, all you have to do is to tap plus icon and then look for local script. And then there, if you have your own script, you can paste it there. Okay, but now I don't have one, but it would be better if you have. Then once done, all you have to do is to click play. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So suppose that you have your character here and you're playing with someone and then somebody hurt you or attack you. Obviously, you will see the status of your health bar up here with the screen one. Okay, so that's how easy it is to make a health bar in Roblox Studio. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.